Athanasian Creed, Episode 23. Ad quies adventum omnes homines resurgere habent cum corporibus suis, et redaturi sunt de factis propriis rationem. At whose coming or arrival, ad with the accusative, and then quies in the masculine singular and genitive, referring to Christ, at the coming or the return of whom, meaning Christ, adventum, masculine singular, and accusative, this is a fourth declension noun, adventus, adventus is the genitive, and this is the noun form of the fourth declension verb ad venire, to arrive, to come to a place, at whose arrival all men, omnes homines, masculine plural and nominative as the subject, all men must, habent, rise again, resurgere. Habere here is used in a somewhat rare meaning, as having an obligation to do something, be suited to or required with the infinitive. All men must rise again cum corporibus suis, with their own bodies, ablative of accompaniment, so corporibus suis neuter, plural, and ablative, ablativus sociativus. And they will give, redaturi sunt. This is the future active participle with a form of esse from the verb redo, to render, to return, to give, its third conjugation. And they shall give, they shall render, de factis propriis, concerning their own deeds, concerning the deeds, the ones that belong to them. And factis propriis is neuter plural, and ablative is the object of the preposition de. They shall give, concerning their own deeds, an account, an accounting or a justification. Rationem feminine, singular and accusative, direct object of the verb redaturi sunt. They shall give an account for their own actions or behavior.